Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Adding a MIME type in Python. MIME, Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions, types are used to describe the type and format of files on the Internet. MIME types are important for web servers to correctly identify and serve files to clients. If you need to add a custom MIME type in Python, you can do so by configuring your web server or by using Python's mimetypes module to add it dynamically. In this tutorial, we will focus on adding a custom MIME type using Python's mimetypes module. Here are the steps to add a custom MIME type in Python. Import the mimetypes module. Start by importing the mimetypes module in your Python script. Define the custom MIME type. Create a dictionary that associates a file extension with the corresponding MIME type. For example, if you want to add a custom MIME type for files with a .myext extension, you can define it like this. Replace .myext with the desired file extension and application/xmy extension with the desired MIME type. Register the custom MIME type. Use the mimetypes.add_type, type, ext, function to register the custom MIME type. The type parameter should be the MIME type you defined in the dictionary, and the ext parameter should be the file extension without a dot. This loop registers all the custom MIME types defined in the dictionary. Verify the registration. You can verify that the custom MIME types have been registered correctly by using the mimetypes.guess_type function to check the MIME type of a file with the custom extension. Replace example.myext with the file name you want to check. If the custom MIME type was registered correctly, this code will print the MIME type, otherwise, it will print that the MIME type was not found. That's it. You have successfully added a custom MIME type in Python using the mimetypes module. This can be useful when you need to serve custom file types from your Python application or when you want to ensure that the correct MIME type is associated with a particular file extension. ChatGPT.